Hello everyone, it's Rudy again. Today I'd like to introduce you one of IMJ's most powerful and compact machine, which is the Berserker Series. The Berserker Series actually comes with in two modes. The DS3060, which has 300 bar and 60 LPM, which equal to 4,350 psi and 15 gallon per minute. So the DS3060 comes with our RS remote control, which can be operated up to 200 meter away. So it makes it perfect for just one person use. And the DS3060 is perfect for cleaning pipes from 2 to 16 inches. The other model, the DS1528. The 1528 comes with 200 bar and 128 LPM, which equal to 2,300 psi and 35 gallon per minute. So the DS1528 is perfect for cleaning pipes from 2 to 24 inches, which makes it also perfect for government contractor. So they both come with a 25-liter fuel tank, and both machines are powered with an ISUZU engine, which is a diesel engine and a silent engine. The 1528 also comes with our RS remote control, can be operated up to 200 meters. So both machines are very powerful, and if you'd like to know more about these machines, you can contact me or contact IMJet. I am IMJet. Thank you. See you in the next video for another machine.